Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up live wallpapers on your PC. Live wallpapers make your desktop more dynamic and visually appealing with moving backgrounds. We will walk you through the whole process, step by step. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Store. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, search for live wallpapers. Find the one you want and download it. For example, we are using this one here. Click Add and Install. Once it is downloaded and installed, you will see the application open up like this. From here, just pick the live wallpaper you want to use. For example, let's go with this virtual world option. Click on it. Once it is activated, click Yes. As you can see, the wallpaper is now live on our desktop. It is all set. And that's how we set up a live wallpaper on your PC. Your desktop now looks more lively and personalized.